I've done a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs over the years, but this one by far is my favorite. Come see how easy it is to make a tea storage organizer using items from the Dollar Tree. And if you like loose tea like I do, you can also store them inside of this organizer. These little beauties are from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I believe. And they're so adorable. They have little rabbits on them, perfect for the season.